This video from Sharp Help, we're taking a quick look at how to install new batteries on your XEA213 or 302 registers. So on this machine I've got the no battery indicator on. Obviously I've got no batteries in, all my batteries are running low. The batteries on these sort of machines are really important. They don't give the machine any power, but they act as a memory protection backup. So if the machine is switched off without any batteries loaded, and then when it's turned back on it performs the reset procedure, so you basically lose all your programming and sales data, which is obviously something you want to avoid doing. So you need to, at least once a year, the manual says, to change your batteries. They are AA batteries and you need 3 of them, and I'll show you where the batteries go. You just need to lift off the printer cover, and then the battery compartment is behind the till roll area. So if I twizzle the till around a bit, try and get it to a point you can actually see what I'm doing. So the compartment lever, can we see that? Yes, the lever for them is just there, so you just push that, lift up the cover, and then the batteries go in there. Obviously 3 of them, just line them up positive and negative, obviously. Pop the cover back on, just turn the till round, so we've lost the no battery warning. They don't interfere with the performance of the machine, so you can use the till with no batteries in, but obviously you need them in to protect the memory. Okay, so yeah, that's how to load the batteries on your XEA213 register. We've got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of the 213 and other Sharp tills. Some of those videos will be appearing on screen now, so you're welcome to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.